This is YouTube News. Asia markets, U.S. China trade currencies in focus. Stocks in Asia Pacific were poised to decline at the open on Thursday, as investors continued to monitor developments on the U.S. China trade front. Futures pointed to a lower open for the Nikkei 225 in Japan. The Nikkei futures contract in Chicago was at 21,540, as compared to the benchmark index's last close at 21,602.59. Shares in Australia were also set to slip, with SPI futures at 6,253.0. In comparison, the ASX 200 last closed at 6,269.10. In overnight market action on Wall Street, stocks finished the trading day largely unchanged. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was 2.24 points higher at 25,967.33, while the S&P 500 slipped 0.16% to 2,879.4. The Nasdaq Composite fell 0.26% to 7,943.32. In a volatile session on Wednesday, the Dow was down 75 points at its intraday low and up as much as 153 points at one point. The 30-stock Dow jumped midday after the White House confirmed President Donald Trump's tweet earlier that Chinese Vice Premier Liu He will be in Washington this week for trade negotiations. Markets have been rattled for much of this week after Trump said in a Twitter post Sunday that the U.S. would raise tariffs on Chinese goods as soon as Friday, a move that was unexpected by investors who had priced in the possibility of a trade deal being reached between the two economic powerhouses. The Dow on Tuesday posted its biggest decline since January 3, as traders realized Trump's threat may not be just a negotiation tactic, as some had initially believed. U.S. Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer also confirmed that higher levies will be imposed on Friday. The U.S. dollar index, which tracks the greenback against a basket of its peers, was at 97.623 after seeing lows below 97.5 yesterday. The Japanese yen, widely seen as a safe haven currency, traded at 110.04 against the dollar from levels around 110.9, seen earlier in the trading week. The Australian dollar was at $0.6995 after slipping from levels above 70 cents yesterday. CNBC's Yunli contributed to this report. YouTube News.